Listening practice. Story Anna's busy day. Anna was a meticulous planner, and her daily routine reflected her organized nature. She lived in a cozy apartment overlooking the city, and every morning the sunlight streaming through her curtains woke her up promptly at 7 a.m. Her day began with a refreshing shower, followed by brushing her teeth and picking out an outfit for work. As she prepared breakfast, usually oatmeal with fresh fruits and a glass of orange juice, she listened to her favorite podcast. The morning calm gave her a sense of control over her busy schedule. At 8 a.m., Anna left for work, her laptop bag slung over her shoulder. Her office was a 20-minute walk from her apartment, and she enjoyed the stroll, often stopping at a local cafe to grab a cappuccino. Workdays were always bustling. Anna, a project manager, spent most of her time in meetings, coordinating tasks, and ensuring her team met their deadlines. Despite the hectic schedule, she made it a point to step away from her desk for lunch at 1 p.m. She and her co-workers would often dine at a nearby restaurant, exchanging stories and laughing about their week. After lunch, Anna's afternoons were focused on reviewing reports and planning upcoming projects. By 5:30 p.m., she wrapped up her work and headed home, but her day was far from over. Back home, Anna changed into comfortable clothes and headed to the park. She loved her evening walks where the cool breeze and the sound of chirping birds helped her unwind. Occasionally, she stopped by a small bookstore near the park to browse through the latest releases. Dinner was always a highlight of Anna's day. She loved cooking, and evenings were her time to experiment in the kitchen. That night, she prepared a creamy mushroom risotto, pairing it with a fresh salad and a glass of sparkling water. After dinner, Anna settled into her favorite armchair with a book. She enjoyed light fiction or travel memoirs that transported her to distant places. Around 9:30 p.m., she began her bedtime ritual, a cup of chamomile tea, a quick skincare routine, and setting her alarm for the next morning. By 10 p.m., Anna was in bed, reflecting on her day. She thought about the little joys, like the smile from the cafe barista, the productive meetings, and the peaceful park walk. Grateful for her routine, she drifted off to sleep, ready to start a new day with the same enthusiasm. Moral of the story: a well-structured routine doesn't just keep you organized, it brings small moments of joy and mindfulness into your day. Whether it's a morning ritual or an evening hobby, finding balance in daily life is the key to happiness. That is for day 14th, part 2. Tell us about your daily routine in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn and Fun for more fun and practical English lessons. See you tomorrow for day 15.